RIDGID 50353 1610 RV Shop Vacuum Review. Real heavy-duty results and easy mobility. Ever try cleaning a job site with a weak shop vac that just pushes debris around? I remember vacuuming drywall dust and watching it clog halfway through the room. Frustrating. You stop, shake the filter, start again. Same cycle. If you've dealt with constant suction drop or a tipping vacuum on stairs, you know that irritation. Sound familiar? That pressure builds during long cleanup sessions. The noise, the dust cloud, the tension of dragging a heavy plastic bucket across rough concrete. I tried smaller vacs and quick fixes. They worked for light debris, then struggled with real mess. It feels like you are fighting the tool. There has to be a steadier, more capable solution. Then everything changed when I found the RIDGID 50353 1610 RV Shop Vacuum. Don't just pick any wet-dry shop vacuum. Make sure it has a high-capacity stainless steel drum and pro-grade motor so you never waste time on weak suction and constant emptying again. The 16-gallon stainless steel tank handles large debris loads without frequent stops, and the 6.5 peak horsepower motor delivers strong, consistent pull on sawdust, drywall powder, and even liquid spills. Let me be honest. The first time I rolled it across a cluttered workshop, the cart-style base and large rear wheels made it feel more like equipment than a toy. The locking pro hose reduces annoying disconnects, and the oversized drain makes liquid cleanup less messy. A contractor friend nearly missed a handoff deadline after a heavy rain-soaked workspace. The vac cleared standing water fast and kept the job moving. Relief. The blower port also adds flexibility for clearing leaves or dust from tools. You start to see it less as a basic vac and more as a cleanup system. After steady use, the RIDGID 50353 1610 RV Shop Vacuum becomes a dependable part of daily workflow. You spend less time fighting clogs and more time finishing projects. Reviewers consistently mention impressive suction and the ability to handle heavy debris and liquids without hesitation. One verified customer described it as the beast of shop vacs and praised the stainless steel drum for easy cleaning. On professional forums, contractors highlight the cart mobility and large wheels for stairs and uneven surfaces. I noticed that too when moving between garage and driveway without tipping or dragging. Some users point out the hose could feel lighter than expected. That is fair, but the locking design still prevents mid-job pop-offs, which matters more in practice. Noise is present, around typical shop vac levels, yet RIDGID's scroll noise reduction helps keep it controlled. The 20-foot cord and onboard storage reduce setup friction, which sounds small but adds up over time. If your current vac feels like it is slowing you down, this feels like a step forward. Would stronger suction or easier mobility matter more to you? Either way, the consistency is what stands out. The RIDGID 50353 1610 RV Shop Vacuum is about power you can rely on and mobility that actually helps instead of hinders. Instead of fighting weak suction and constant stops, you move through cleanup with more control and less stress. Thousands of contractors and serious DIYers use this style of heavy-duty shop vacuum daily, and results may vary depending on workload. If you want stronger, steadier cleanup performance, check the affiliate link in the description or pinned comment and see if the RIDGID 50353 1610 RV Shop Vacuum fits your setup.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.